Officers from Scraps first showed up at this barn on Friday after they were told the animals, almost 200 of them, were locked in their cages, abandoned by their owner.
The officer found mostly dead birds, a few alive, no food or water, and the conditions, the pens were not very clean.
Officers then fed and watered the animals that were still alive and left the man renting this rural property this red tag 24-hour warning.
There was no response to the notice. The first day we were there, we did offer food and water and sheltered in place out of concern for the animals, and then with no response, we went back the next day and executed a search warrant to remove all the animals.
The surviving animals were taken to the Scraps shelter in the Spokane Valley, where workers used old mop handles to convert this dog pen into a pigeon coop. The birds are malnourished, but now recovering.
The ones that were alive were very happy to have food and water, went right for it.
Animal control officers say they found feed for the birds and the rabbits on scene. The animals just couldn't get to it. They add, if you're going to lock something up in a cage, even if they are just pigeons, you're responsible for feeding them.
The revised Code of Washington provides that animals need to be cared for at least once every 36 hours, and that's providing that you leave enough to last the 36 hours.
Investigators are now trying to interview the animal's owner before deciding if felony cruelty charges are warranted. The birds and rabbits that didn't make it kept frozen as evidence in this case. Reporting in Deer Park, Humphrey, KXLY4.